Alrighty, so welcome to Communication Technologies 10 or Media Studies. Just looking at our Google Classroom here, we're going to get into how to maneuver around the Google Classroom and what to do. So we're going to pull up our Google Classroom here. We're going to be using the block 3 as my test block. You would go into your block 3. If you notice, there is the stream view and then there's the classwork view. The stream view, as we go through the year, is going to become really cluttered, really hard for you to view everything. So my advice is to use the classwork view. That's going to allow you to see all the different assignments that have been posted. If it is dark color, that means you have not completed it. If it is grayed out, that means you have completed it. So just some interesting things to know about Google Classroom. Your grades and analytics and things will be very different than mine as a teacher. But you should be able to tell what things you've handed in, what things you haven't. You have a few different options here. And then obviously you can head back to the home to see any other classes that you might have going on. So that's a quick little run through of how to use Google Classroom for the Media Studies 10 class.